All right.
Hi, and the hi to the vlog. My name is Alice. My name is Yuan, and I'm going boxing Bella for Fingerlings.
All right.
Hi, and the hi to the vlog. My name is Alice. My name is Yuan, and I'm going boxing Bella for Fingerlings. And also in the back, and there's this Bella's right here, but why? And her mouth is also like this. I don't know why her mouth is like that, but Boris's mouth is so cutie.
Can you show us? Or can you show us what Boris can do first?
Hi.
How about recording?
Hi.
How about shaking?
What?
Shaking or kissing? How about kiss? Pet?
He can do petting.
How about farting?
He cannot.
How about burp? How about tickle?
Can do it.
Yeah. Rock, tickle, hugs and kisses, swing, shake,
Switch.
throw, upside down, record and more.
Upside down?
Upside down. How about upside down? Okay, it's time.
Then remove it. Ah! There you go. That's okay like that.
So we have here
Don't touch
press and hold.
it. Hello.
I think she's a bit shy.
Yeah, she's a bit
They're
shy.
twins, right?
Yeah. I can buy okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you excited? Come here in the camera. Ta-da! But we can't wipe her.
Can you remove it right here too? Just right here.
Oh, excuse me. Where else? No, no, no. Can you please?
It's right here.
Can you please? Excuse me. Alright. Done?
You just it. Not yet. Look.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh,
Mama
it just
can
removed
fix it
it.
later. Alright. It's okay. And now there are two. Are you happy? Go
Yes.
there. Go there.
I'm just closed, but it's not closing. Kind of closed.
I think she's fat. She's no maingay, right?
I think she's a little shy. About. I watched her when she was exercising some push-ups, and her back just drained, and she just walked like this. I saw that.
No, I have two. Oh, are you done?
Yes.
Bye ka na sa vlog. Boris and Bella. What are you going to say first to them? What can they do?
They can hug our
No, no, no. To your viewers, what are you going to tell them?
to watch it.
What else?
And also,
Watch,
the click
click. What else?
and subscribe.
Thank you, gracias a
For
Dios.
me in Costa Rica.
Wow, okay, gracias a Dios. Bye, Boris and Bella. Oh, bye. Bye to the vlog. Kili-kili. Bye to the vlog.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
What are you going to say to Kuya Lucas?
Stay safe.
Kuya Lucas.
Kuya Lucas.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.